Fried catfish recipes without cornmeal. This is one of the easiest fried catfish recipes without cornmeal flour. If you are craving some crispy, crunchy food or snack, then get busy with your shopping and preparation. It is fun and entertaining and rewarding. We want to follow the fried catfish recipe with no cornmeal. It is delicious and crunchy. Takes only a few minutes to cook. Let us take a look at the ingredients. Catfish fillets, buttermilk, flour, frying oil, breadcrumb, red chili powder, salt, ground pepper, beaten egg. Instruction: cut the fillets into smaller pieces. Season the fillets with a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili powder. Rub well. Season the flour with salt, ground pepper, and red chili powder. Mix well. Bring out the fillets and rub them in the seasoned flour. Keep the beaten egg on a plate. Now dip the fillet one by one in the egg and then put them in the breadcrumbs. Deep fry them in hot oil. When lightly brown, bring out the fillet and drain them on a paper towel. Serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.